Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to pin a chat on WhatsApp. If you have a chat or group that you want to keep at the top of your screen for quick access, this feature is perfect for you. Let's walk through the steps so you can pin your favorite chats and make them easier to find. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you have the app updated to the latest version so you can access all the newest features. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, find the chat or group that you want to pin. It could be a close friend, a family group, or any chat you use often. Long press on the chat to select it. Step 3. After you've long pressed on the chat, look up at the top of your screen, and you'll see a row of icons. Tap on the pin icon. It looks like a small push pin. That's it. The chat you selected will now be pinned and will appear at the top of your chat list. No matter how many new messages you get, this pinned chat will always stay at the top for easy access. This feature is super helpful for keeping your most important chats visible, especially when you're chatting with multiple people or groups. If you ever want to unpin a chat, just follow the same steps and click the pin icon again to unpin it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.